front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Emergency Contact and click on the ones that you wish to add. Then hit Done. As you can see, all of mine were successfully added. Make sure that this switcher next to Show on Lock Screen is blue for all of those contacts to be accessible from locked screen. To remove one of them, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Remove, click on the chosen one, and tap on Bin icon at the bottom. To remove all of them, click on the top left corner, and then Bin icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!